Back at it. Same day, ain't nothing changed. See, these clothes stick on the same thing, ain't nothing changed. Just showed them to you back to back. But here, this is 2010 ML350. ML350. Same thing. Doing tune up, spark plug. I ain't gonna do too much talking, I'm just gonna get straight to the business. Ain't no talking. It's hot out here, you know. So we're gonna get straight to the money on. Go ahead and make it happen. So I can get custom out this heat. You know, find this help. You know, drop me a comment, drop me a like, subscribe. ML430. What I'm doing now, it's a 6-cylinder, so what I'm doing, I'm removing these T30 bolts off the coil packs. Got two T30 bolts on each coil pack. So we got 12 bolts that we got to remove off the coil. Back of the coil, as you know, it has a connector that you push down on to release the clamp from the hole. Where you at? You that? Alright, I'm up here with man right here putting plugs in. Alright. Yeah. Let's see how far I leave. Shots on his car. Shots on his car. Yeah. You can feel the mother when you drive, I'm telling you. Oh, damn. I didn't get a chance to drive, but I seen it yesterday when I was over there. One time you felt it when you drove there? Oh, yeah. Overdue. Once you remove these coil packs, these ignition coils, these are your ignition coils. These go on top of your spark plug. When these go bad, you skip, jerk, and all that. You wonder why your car skipping, jerking, and all that. A lot of time, might not be your spark plug. It might be this right here called ignition coil. These go bad, and a person not knowing won't know that these going bad. So it's always, good to change these, every 6 to 9, months maybe. Depending on how much riding you're doing, really. I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna get back to this money. Get my brother out this heat.
Oh, your wife?
In the house.
Tell her I'm gonna be back to throw it up.
They say you stay asleep. Apartment. We gotta get it. So, had to take a brief intermission. Had to take an important phone call. So I'm back. So, look at it. Put one in. Love how the engine just sit right here. Huh?
Face, that's my
see that. That's not a very good plug at all right there, you guys. I see that. That thing broke. Broke. We're gonna fix it. Plug came from the factory. Now for real. Like I said, it's a 2010 ML 430. I mean ML 350, sorry. It's just a beauty down here. Just a beauty. On this side over here. Number 2. It's a no-no. But hey, I'm doing the right thing by switching them out. I can't complain. See, when I know they're going bad, all I can do is fix it. I can't sit and complain. I'm on the third one in the back.
Man, sure gotta have that boy dog. What you were saying over here going on with the picture situation?
My brother hot. My brother out here hot like me, y'all. Trip. He running hot back behind the AC. Up street. Up street. So then we're gonna repeat the same thing on this side over here. After I connect, make sure everything is connected properly. Back over here. Drop these coils back down in here. Nice and slow. Back and put these bolts in the top. Put the T30 star screws back in the top. And we'll repeat that with the T30. Make sure we put 2 in every coil. And just as you remove them out of there, hate for your coil pack to jump out. That's one thing you don't want. You don't want your coil pack jumping out of this spot. So you got to make sure that it's in its resting spot. Once you get in the resting spot, then, you know, proceed to tighten. Do all your tightening. So, what I'm doing now is just making sure that I have all my bolts inside my coil packs. Make sure I have all my bolts inside the coil packs. So that's what I'm doing now. Because you don't want to proceed to the next step to then come back trying to tighten stuff up and then you're missing stuff. So if you're missing something, you want to know that you're missing it right off hand. So if you're missing, you can go back and fix it for the most part. Or find another bolt. Find that particular bolt, or you know, however it goes. So I'm gonna start off by hand tightening down these T30 screws on the coil packs. Then I follow behind it with the ratchet and tighten it up. Torque it to specs, should I say. That's the correct terminology. I can then come behind it and torque it to specs. Torque it to specs, all it means is, you know, tighten the screw down to the point that it doesn't thread or break the housing of a particular unit that the bolt is going into, so you get the proper tightening. Couple turns, couple half a turns. And now. Then you lock. Follow behind and put your cord pack back. Snap. When you hear it snap, you know it's on there properly. Properly. So now we got that properly snapped in. We'll move to the next side, repeat the same thing. I hope this video is helpful to someone. You know, because I find myself online looking, trying to figure out how to do stuff all the time. So if I can get online and find some help, you know what I mean, to doing stuff that I need to do, then why can't I come back and do the same thing and provide some information for somebody that's doing the same thing that I'm doing? I'm doing it myself, DIY. DIY auto repairs. Do it yourself. You know, you do it yourself. You can't do it yourself, you know, come watch me and I teach you how to do it yourself. All you gotta do is leave me a comment. Let me know what you're working on. Let me know what you need help with, you know, and we can take it from there. I'm gonna take a brief intermission right now, and I'll get back with you to proceed to the right side. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna go ahead and do this right side and get it on out the way. But I just gave you a brief demonstration on how to properly, you know, remove spark plugs and cord packs from this 2010 ML 350. Like I said, I would repeat the same steps to this side over here. These cords right here, these ignition cords right here, I come and repeat the same step to that side. So thank y'all for tuning in to DIY Auto and Repairs.